Hi friends, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I am Tish and I am a creative full-time working mom who loves to talk to her friends about productivity, lifestyle, and creativity. And in today's video, I want to share with you how I had to be creative within this past year. You know what year I'm talking about? The year of chaos, the year of, that I dare not share on my channel. But as of April 2021, I have been doing these three things for about a year. No, not about a year, for a year. And I got to thinking, now that I'm able to outsource these things, will I, or will I continue to be creative and keep them in my toolbox? What are they? Stay tuned and I'll share the three things that I think I want to hold on to post-pandemic. Number one, lashes. I absolutely love lashes. And from time to time, I would have my lashes applied by a professional. But because of the situation that we were in, I had to rely solely on my steady hand and picking out the best lash for me and apply them myself. I think I want to keep that up. Will I consider going to a technician to get them done? I don't know. I don't think I will. I love the convenience of being able to do them myself, and I can order as many as I like. And if you saw, or I'll share here, I'll share somewhere around here, my love for the Dollar Tree lashes, and they are so amazing. So whenever I see them, I stock up on them. I have a drawer full of them, and I have a glue that I love, so I think I'm going to just keep on using my hands and my very inexpensive lashes. Number two would be my nails. Now, confession, I have been doing my nails for about 2 years. So when the year happened, when the situation happened, it didn't really shake me, and I didn't feel like I was, being forced to go bare nail, and it didn't shake me up because a year prior I had started to play around with doing my own nails at home. But the situation allowed me to really get into the art of doing them myself and keeping them healthy and keeping them up, and then I can change them as often as I want, and I save a lot of money. So at the time that I started to do them and wanted the fancy artwork, thanks to Amazon, I was able to purchase the rhinestones, the gel lamp, everything that I needed. I was able to purchase for maybe under $100, and nails, the press-on nails, are very inexpensive. So doing them at home as often as I like, I can change the color, I can change the shape, and it costs me nothing. If anything, it just costs me another pack of nails, which can be anywhere under $5 or under $10. Yeah, I think that's something that I'm going to keep doing myself. And plus, it's part of my self-care routine. When I do my nails and my family sees that I'm doing my nails, they know, let me back. This is her time. So, number two, I think I'm going to keep doing my own nails. Number three, it's not anything beauty related, but it's family related. And before the situation started, I loved going to the movies, and we still miss going to the movies. We look forward to actually going back to the movie theater, but we're still taking it easy and taking it slow, and we love to have movie night now at home. usually we wouldn't have movie night at home. We would always rely on going to a movie theater, and you know that can be very expensive. I mean, movies in itself, just for the tickets, are costly, and then you want to have the popcorn and the drinks and the candy. I mean, you're looking at $100 plus night. And now that we have the streaming services, and you know, some of them are now releasing movies in the theater and on streaming services, we get the best here at home with the family in comfortable clothes or jammies, and eating, you know, yummy food. And we can be as loud as we want to be and not have to worry about anybody else. So I think I am going to keep movie night as a regular thing here at home, even when we do decide to go back to the movie theater. I just love now having movie night here at home with the family. So as I was thinking, there's a fourth one, and I believe I'm going to keep that one too. And that's curbside. Curbside service is so convenient. Wow, you know, who would have thought? Especially when I want something yummy to eat on the go, I can, you know, not even go into the restaurant to get it. I can just go curbside. That's awesome. And even the grocery pickup. Talking about saving time. So I'm gonna add a fourth one. I'm gonna add a bonus to my list. It's curbside. So I'm going to keep those. But don't let me be the only one sharing. Are there any things that you are going to hold on to post-pandemic that you were forced to do within this past year, and you're just going to hold on to them because, I mean, they actually became a thing for you? Let me know down in the comment area. I definitely want to hear, because I may want to grab some of those for myself. And you know, it's all about convenience now. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell next to the subscribe button, and you will be notified of any upcoming videos that I have for you. And until next time, have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.